Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to create a welcome channel on Discord. Now as you can see, this is my general chat, right? In my general chat you can see good to see you, yay you made it, basically all the welcome chats right here, like after one user joined. So I'm going to kick this user just for this demonstration. Don't worry, it's gonna join back. I'm just gonna send an invite real quick again. Wait. Sorry, my bad. Invite people. Invite. Send. So, that invite's gonna get accepted after I make the welcome channel. So you wanna go create a channel first. And this channel, you wanna name it welcome. So, once you name it welcome, you wanna put it on top. Because it's a welcome channel, or I would say put it above text channel, just because it's a welcome channel. It doesn't really need to be in the text channels. So now you want to go to your server settings, and then you see system messages channel. This is the channel where systems will send event messages. So when a user joins, and other server tips, it's gonna show up on that channel. So I'm now gonna select welcome, and then I'm gonna save changes. Now once I do that, that's basically it. You've created your welcome channel. Now all I need to do is use that other account to join back in, and my phone is taking a little time. And once I press on join, as you can see, good to see you. That's the welcome message now, and I can just wave back to it, and done. That's about it. Congratulations, you just created your welcome channel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as ring that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.